Hi everyone, welcome back to another drawn tutorial. So today it's going to be Goku, Ultra Instinct. He's got the silver hair, so it's the mastered form. Probably the coolest form in recent memory in Dragon Ball. So a perfect fit for Goku, this one. Just total instinct, fighting instinct. So we're going to start in the middle of our page with that Dragon Ball W in the middle of their eyebrows. So just a W. Like that. The eyebrows grow out of this. So we have one line that comes this way and bends over just there, comes down to that square edge, and then this comes up this direction like that. Got that Dragon Ball box for an eye just there, across, diagonal down, and then we have his silver eyes in there. So we curve it around, bring it around there, and black people just in there. And we're going to bring the other eyebrow up the other way. So this comes up this direction. It meets a piece of his fringe that comes down. So we're just going to do a little triangle here. Nice. And then the eyebrow comes up here. And then block down, just like that side. And then this will come back down towards the middle of his face. Jump over that piece of hair. If you're using pencil, you can erase that if you want to draw the whole eyebrow and just erase that line. Box for an eye. Small line, like here. This one comes that way. And then finish it off just in there. So we have another silver iris inside. Curve it around, semicircle, comes up in there, and then a black dot. Like so. Of course we have those cheek marks for Dragon Ball characters just underneath the eye, so like one just coming across, and another one on this side coming across. Nose comes down the middle, and you have on the shadow side we have that triangle that comes down from it, so it just comes around like this and back in, and then a little bit of the nose will come across and come up the other side just like that. Small mouth right underneath the nose, comes up, across, back down, and then a line just for his chin just here. And then down from that we have his chin that comes up to his jaw, so it's just there, little dot right there, real thin chin. And this is going to travel up this direction, and then it's going to go up and meet hair that's beside the eyebrows, so we'll go up straight as we can. Same over here. This meets another piece of hair that comes down here as well, beside the eyebrow. And then we can do Goku's 4 pieces of fringe that go across the front of his head. So we'll start here. Comes down, spikes up, and then this comes up this direction. Comes in a little bit that way. Then we have another one that comes down right in the middle of his face. So it's here, spikes here, touches the top of the eyebrow, comes up, touches that first one, comes back that way, and then comes up the other side and comes into his forehead just there, and then the next one grows out of that one, comes down to where we did that spike, and then this one comes up around to about there. It goes in this way. Then we have the next one touching that one, curves down, curves back up, like that. And of course there's various hairlines in there, so just like lines like this, coming down, going back up. There's a line right up the middle just here. And then this will come around like this. Another one maybe touching that one. Another one here. Just following the shape of the hair themselves. Some frown lines just here, and then some for the bumps of his brow just there, and one that goes under his hair just there. Just some more hairlines this way, that way, and then we can put it in his ears, and then the rest of his hair that goes around his head. So one ear here, one ear here. And then we've bones and ligaments inside there. So, any way you like to do ears, you can go ahead and do that, or you could try follow this. So, just various bumps and ridges to show those bones and ligaments in the ear. Many different ways to do this. And some over here, so bump it up that way. Little ridge there. Of course, you can feel these on your own ear. Everyone's got them. And then, so the rest of his hair. So we have small ones coming out here, and they get bigger as we go up towards the middle. So this comes out here, a little spike, comes out to a bigger spike up to there. Comes back in. We touch another spike that curves out this way, and then this spike comes back into here, and then we comes a bit further maybe, and then this comes up to there, comes back in. Then he has, this is standard Goku hair when he's in Ultra Instinct, so he's got that, you can see the round of his head. It's not like Super Saiyan. And then this will come, biggest one right up, goes off my page there, and it will come back in around here. And that will curve down to about there. And then we have spikes that go this way now. So those travel this side, and the rest will go this side. So we have one right in the middle of his head, comes up here, comes across, comes back down to there. We have one behind that, so it comes up, comes across. Real big hair in Dragon Ball. It's always bigger than you think it would be compared to the size of his face. And then we have another spike that goes out that way, back down to about there, and then the small spike comes out here and comes down back into his ear. And then there's hairlines all on those spikes. Now, so Goku's neck and shoulders and chest we can just see down here. So we'll do his neck first, really muscular. So it comes right down just near close to his ear. Big neck, just there. Same on the other side. Down like that. His traps come off just from here, curving this way. Like that. And then over the other side as well. Real big. And then his shoulder comes off my page just here. And this one goes off my page just there. Then we have neck muscles inside there. So we'll do a line for that, just one here, one here, right there, and then the other side of those curving out on both sides, there and there. And then Adam's apple just in there. And at the bottom of these, we can just see two bumps for where they join his chest. So come out and in, and down like that. Now his chest comes across here. So it's like a curve just there where those two neck muscles are, and then it bumps across like that, and it bumps across this side. And then we have just some muscle lines that come out here. And then same over here. And then we have the line down the middle of his chest. So it comes down to about here. And it starts to go around then the bottom of that. So it's going to come down, around, and it's going to come back up the other side. So it's going to come down here and then back up and around like that. And they don't touch. He's got his nipple in there. And then we do the same pretty much on this side. So this will curve this way. Come back around. Up this direction, just to there. And then oval shape for nipple there. And then we can see just top of his abs, just in there. We can see some shoulder muscles just coming off this way. Same over here. So there. And then his a line for his armpit just in there. And just some shoulder muscle lines just there as well. Same over here. And some lines just coming across this way for his chest muscles. Some on his traps, just here. Maybe some lines coming across this way. This comes up a bit further. And then there's various sort of scratch marks from his battle with Jiren, just going across his chest. There's some on his shoulder, his face, and his traps as well. Neck. Maybe some here. And some on his face. His forehead as well. And there you go, Goku. Ultra Instinct. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and share.